I'm just going to look at materials and lights. It's not important for the job I'm doing, but TurboCAD isn't the best, but it isn't bad. So double click on your object. Now change it to what you need. I've gone for glass, and I'm going to go for a rose tinted glass. Just I think it'll look better for the screen more than anything. And it's in Lightworks Renderer, which are a superb company. So now when I can render it here, but I'm just going to go back into my paper space. You'll get the effect. Now you get the reflections through as well, so you get some weird and wonderful effects. Very, very good actually. So that's how you do rendering with materials on, and you can even put mapping of graphics on, but it gets really complicated, and you know don't really need to do that here. But yes, some products need a visualization, and the colouring does help. But so I'll come back into model, just have a look at your view, lights. Now you can make the lights visible. These are the default lights that came on. I think visible, it'll show you them on the screen if I remember how to do it. Right, yeah, you have to click on that little eye shape there, and that's where the lights are. So there's a point light there, and it tells you the position and where it's looking to the target. You can change all this up and you can get better effects. As you can see, it's got about 8 lights on just to achieve that lighting. TurboCAD does a reasonable default job, but the moment you put 2 objects in, one behind another, it takes a long time to render, a long time to calculate all these lights up. And you have to use a ray trace. I didn't cover that. That's basically where you fire a line in from your point of view. Sorry, hang on. Go back into the viewport. Double click on the viewport. Yeah, I've changed it from a preview to a ray trace full. That's where it fires a line through at every point on the screen, every pixel, in the direction you're looking at, and then calculates which bit's at the front, which bit's at the back, what to do with the lighting, all based on intensity. Very, very, very clever. You have to be pretty clever to do lighting and rendering by mathematics, that is. Okay, that's that.